Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of correspondence with hostile country. Let us define first what is correspondence. Correspondence is a communication by means of letters, or it may refer to the letters which pass between those who have friendly or business relations. Ito ay pakikipagsulatan o ito yung mga sulat o komunikasyon sa pagitan ng tao. What about hostile? Hostile means adverse or showing ill will or a desire to harm. It can also mean being antagonistic or unfriendly, kaaway o kalaban. What is then the crime of correspondence with hostile country? Article 120 of the Revised Penal Code states that the crime of correspondence with hostile country is committed by any person who, in time of war, shall have correspondence with an enemy country or territory occupied by enemy troops. The Philippines is at war with a country, and the accused corresponds with a person in the enemy country or territory occupied by the enemy troops. Ito ay isang krimen ng pakikipag-usap o pakikipagsulatan sa kalaban ng bansa habang nagaganap ang digmaan. Next, after defining, what are the elements of the crime? The elements of the crime are as follows. 1. There is war in which the Philippines is involved. So, war crime po ito at yung crime ay nakukumit during wartime. 2. Offender makes correspondence with the enemy country or territory occupied by enemy troops. 3. Correspondence is either first, prohibited by the government. Even if the correspondence contains innocent matters, if the correspondence is prohibited by the government, it is punishable because of the possibility that the information useful to the enemy might be revealed unwittingly. Basta pinagbawal ng gobyerno, kahit anong klaseng sulat yan, pwede kang liable under this category. Take note that the correspondence is in whatever form, such as by mail, radio, texting, or by email. Second, carried on in ciphers or conventional signs. Ciphers are secret message or code. If ciphers were used, there is no need for prohibition by the government to consummate the crime. If ciphers were not used, there is need for prohibition. Pag ciphers ang ginamit, may prohibition o wala, liable ka under this category. Pag walang ciphers na ginamit, dapat may prohibition to be held liable. Third, containing notice or information which might be useful to the enemy or intended by the offender to aid the enemy. Ang laman mismo ng correspondence mo ay mga mahalagang bagay na pwedeng gamitin ng kalaban laban sa atin. For the second and third, hindi kailangan na i-prohibit yan ng government. Basta gumamit ka ng ciphers or conventional signs at yung correspondence ay naglalaman ng mga masiselang bagay ukol sa ating bansa, liable ka na sa krimeng correspondence with hostile country. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.